Understood it? Shall I? Sedimentation. No sediment, please. No sediment. And say, I said that. And no sediment, please. No से nutrient, S से sediment, P से pollutant, inorganics. वही मैं सोच रहा था P वर्ड क्या है, मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा था. I stopped for which pollution? Third one is I said that P4. और उसके बाद मैंने बोला था all people of ocean. All people of ocean. No sediment, please. All people of. So A से मैंने बताया था alien species. P for plastic. O for oil spill. O for oil spill. So that you can remember these points. उसके बाद आपका था radioactive substances and then you have seen thermal pollution. कितना मॉइस्चर होता है, सुबह से शाम तक में 2 बोतल भर जाते हैं, 40 लीटर्स completely. So shall I remove? So the next is pollutants, which are I said inorganic. So who is giving inorganic? I said that industrial waste. Who is giving inorganic? I said that mining waste. Yes. And who is giving inorganic? Agricultural waste. Understood? Who is giving? Industrial waste, mining waste, agricultural waste. These are the things. इससे क्या हो रहा है? Non-degradable inorganic waste. Yes. Cadmium, mercury, copper, different things which are coming into the, I said that, into the water. Cadmium, mercury, copper and other. Cadmium, when getting into the biomagnification, याद है ना biomagnification, and what it is causing? Human being को कौन सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कैडमियम से? Yes. Which? Itching in the body. I said that cadmium causes itching in the body. This is, I said that cadmium, itai. Yes, very painful. Itai is painful. The body started paining, and then this is in a cadmium. Itai due to cadmium. Mercury, अभी मैंने बताया था, this is what? Methyl mercury. What it is causing? Minamata diseases. It is also very painful. Minamata. M for methyl mercury, M for Minamata. Yes. These are through the biomagnification coming in our, what I said that through the food chain, it is coming into the finally to the human being. तो जो हम दे रहे हैं उसको हमें मिलना है. गॉड ने कह रखा है. So understand through this some examples what we are giving, it is coming return back to it. So the same way global warming, shall I? Yes. Next one we are able to see, like I said that, and this in the marine organism, it is going into the food chain, and thereafter food wave. इससे क्या होगा? यस टेल में. एपिडेमिक्स, पहले दिन एपिडेमिक्स, सॉरी पहले इधर लिख लें. I said that it will causes disease in marine organism, metabolism get affected, एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम, ये पूरा सभी में जहाँ पे भी केमिकल्स आ जाए, जैसे ऑयल स्पेल्स, रेडियोएक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस, they started saying something like this. Biochemical behavior, reproduction, these are the things get affected. And then coastal areas may, because of this, if they will start dying because of this organic, ये तो हमारा लॉस है. ग्रेट, I said that great loss of marine ecosystem. But अब ये ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस क्या करेंगे? ऑर्गेनिक पॉल्यूटेंट into the coastal area, and this organic pollutant किसी न किसी फूड वेब, फूड चेन से कहीं ना कहीं किसी के किस में आ जाएगा? ह्यूमन लाइफ सिस्टम में आ जाएगा, and that causes cholera, different kind of diseases, epidemics in the coastal areas, to the human being. Okay. Shall I? दिमाग में डालते जाएंगे. दिस इज द टाइम, दिस इज द लास्ट टाइम. Keep on remembering everything. As much you'll remember, that much help in your preparation. And then next one I said that alien species. कहीं भी आप alien species डाल दो, what will happen? There will be competition, or maybe competition से out हो जाए. Yes or no? These are the two things can happen. If the alien species coming into in one ecosystem, so possibly through, I said that agricultural waste, I said industrial waste and mining waste. agricultural waste, industrial waste, mining waste, some of the fresh water species come into marine ecosystem. They can come into, yes, and it can be invasive. अब ये क्या हो गया, इन्वेसिव, और वो सिस्टम उसके ग्रोथ के लिए क्या हो गया, इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर देयर ग्रोथ, यस और नॉट. सो इन्वेसिव एंड स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग, इन्वेसिव एंड स्टार्ट. तो दूसरे फूड चेन जितने भी थे वहां के फूड चेन एंड फूड वेब को क्या कर देगा, ये डिस्टर्ब, क्योंकि ये सारे को खाने लग जाएगा. इट स्टार्टेड ईटिंग, start multiplying and disturbing food chain and food web. Yes or not? वहां के रिसोर्स को ये यूटिलाइज करने लग जाएगा. Alien species. So he can give competition, otherwise he can be out of this competition. Yes or not? These two things can happen generally when the alien species come. In a given food chain, if you are coming inside, so you are not the part of this food chain. Yes or not? A is eating B, B is eating C, C is eating D, suddenly Z can. So you are not the part of this food chain. So two things happen, या तो आप मर जाओ और या तो आप क्या? Understood? Alien species. Plastics. Next one is, I said, ये नॉन डिग्रेडेबल केमिकल सब्सटेंस है. प्लास्टिक इज, यस, नॉन डिग्रेडेबल. चले, plastic is what I said, that non-degradable, and where it is more, in the last 200 years it came into this North Pacific region, North Pacific garbage, then it is in a North Atlantic garbage, and very few in the what, South Pacific, South Atlantic, South Indian. प्लास्टिक गार्बेज, क्योंकि ओशन करंट कैसे मूव करते रहता है, एंड देन इट इज गोइंग, सो इसके बीच में गार्बेज फंस जाता है, वो ओशन करंट के बीच में. देयर इज अ नॉर्थ इक्वेटोरियल करंट एंड ऑल, सो देयर इज एन व्हाट प्लास्टिक्स व्हिच हैज बीन गिवन, and it is in a trillion tons of what I said, that plastic garbage, especially in the what, North Pacific and North Atlantic. It is also in the some amount, it is in, I said that, South Pacific, South Indian, Atlantic and South Indian. Understood? क्योंकि ओशियन करंट यहाँ पे ऐसे मूव करते रहता है, so जब मूव करेगा तो all the plastics will come at the center, because in the center there is no movement. So I said that non-degradable plastics are non-degradable, and where they are mostly, North Pacific, and more in the what, North Atlantic, but few in South Pacific, in South Atlantic, in South Indian Ocean. And after the last 200 years it is accumulating, yes or not? Last 200 years it is accumulating. इसकी वजह से दो चीजें हो रही हैं. दिस गार्बेज आर कमिंग, दिस plastic garbage, North Pacific garbage, and this plastic garbage are two things are happening. One, marine ecosystem is getting affected, another is in a coastal countries.